Hey guys, Checkmate Easy. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a good summer. So hey, check it out. I am going to be building a stand that will hold 4 of my mowers and my snowblower and all that good stuff, because I need to save space in my garage. And I said to myself, listen, some of these are real heavy to lift. I mean, obviously gas mowers with steel decks are definitely very heavy to lift, and depending on your age and your strength and what condition you're in. And the nice part about the Ego products specifically is they're light to lift. They're really not that bad. And I said to myself, you know what? I was thinking of building a shelf that would probably hang from like the ceiling. And then I said to myself, that's a lot of work, because I was going to get a hoist and a whole lot of stuff. And I'm like, you know what? Let me start off inexpensive, build a shelf, a freestanding shelf. I don't know how else I'm going to do it yet. Today's the day for measurements, but I will tell you, I will make sure that it is wide enough for all 3. I will make sure the depth is good enough and the height is good enough, okay? And that's kind of the goal. So the Honda stays with me for now. I have not given up on that yet. But my snowblower, my Ego snowblower, I'll be doing a review on that. But I'm trying to wait until the snow's pretty good, because God, last winter really wasn't that bad. And so yeah, I am going to work on, and by the way, that Ego snowblower will go on the top, so I don't have to take off the chute. So that'll be on the top. The Ego mower will be in the middle. Again, I'm going to make it so it fits 4. Obviously, the Honda is going to be on the bottom because it's heavy, so it'll slide right underneath. I'm going to make just open right up, boom, okay? And I'm going to make it out of, probably treated wood. Why not? So we'll see. Today I'm taking measurements, and more to come. It won't be a step-by-step tutorial, guys, but I think it'll be a good idea if you're looking to save space in your garage. I don't have a lot of space in my garage. All right, so I will continue to record this video, and so I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, guys, so visual here, okay, is this is the view here is the depth and the height on the top, okay? So it is about 56 inches tall, and then the snowblower will actually go on top. So you see here, I'm going to put the snowblower right on top because it's pretty light. So this is going to be 56 inches in height. As far as depth, I am looking at 24 inches in depth. That'll be the width of the mower, so I'm looking at that as depth. Okay, and each mower has a different height, so I have to make sure that they will fit. So the Honda, I need 19.5 inches in height. The Leaf Vac, I need 21 inches, and the Ego mower, I need 18. When I go down here, I'm looking at the width view. So I got 43 inches in width, again, 56 inches in height, and as you can see, each of the mowers. Now, the one thing that's a little different on the top here for the snowblower is I'm going to put what I call stop panels on the back and on the side. So when I slide the Ego snowblower in, it won't come off, it won't slide off or anything like that, just in case. Now everything has got a little cushion, guys, but those are my draft measurements for now. Then I got to look at, okay, how much wood do I need, and then I'll go ahead and get it cut, and we'll see. I'll keep sharing, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so as I sit here, I'm just going over parts and stuff, right? So I'm assuming I'm going to get 2x4s for now. We'll see. But I need 4 of them. All right. They'll be 56 inches long because they're going to support the height. All right. I'm going to need 4 for the corners, 2 for the sides, and I want 1 for the back, which really, yeah, I call it the back. And here's a good view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the back. Here's the front. The mowers and the equipment go on top. Shelves, I need 3 times 24-inch shelves, 24 in depth, 43 in width. And guess what? I'm going to make this on wheels. I'm going to get 4 wheels. I'm going to get 2 of them with brakes so I can lock them in place. Oh boy, I keep thinking, but more to come. Okay guys, so check it out. This is the bottom of the shelving unit I'm building. These hold 1,000 pounds each, okay? A little overkill, but that's fine. I pushed one closer to the front because this is going to be the front. And these wheels that I'm going to be putting on afterwards are braking wheels, so they're going to be able to brake. I also have the side rails already cut, and I've got my shelves cut. All right, so we are cooking with oil. All right, I'll keep going. Thanks, guys. All right, guys. So again, just want to keep you informed on what I'm doing. So I did put some really nice bolts through here. Hold these guys down. Some bolts through here. All right. These guys are on with the brakes in the front, so they've got the brakes. I am ready, based off balance and weight, to put side wheels if I have to for balancing, but I'm not going to do that yet. Again, I'm dealing with like maybe 250 pounds. So this is just the bottom for now, but I just wanted to give you an update. I also angle grinded some of the screws off, joining the panels. I didn't use any wood glue. This is pressure treated wood. So just use my trusty, Porter cable angle grinder. All right. So more to come, guys. Hey guys, by the way, safety tip, always wear eye protection. And with loud devices, be careful, even if you don't think they're loud. Put some ear protection on. Get something decent. Don't go and buy the $5 ones. Get something a little better, okay? This isn't bad, but definitely get yourself some ear protection and some eye protection whenever you're using, especially these saws and different types of tools. Okay guys, just sharing as I go along. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting these guys on the side here, and I'm going to be screwing these into the base. All right. So as you saw the picture earlier. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, and then this is the back, so it'll have one here. Okay, and so on and so forth. And what I'm going to do is I cut these 2 inches so I can use a 3-inch screw. So when I actually screw in, I'm grabbing in about 1 inch. What I'll do is I'll put one on each side, because I'm going to need the center for where I'm going to be putting my bolt to actually attach the 2x4 to. Okay, on the outside is really where it's going to happen. So these guys are helpful also. And if you don't have an assistant, I was able to hold the wood, and it's called a Quick Grip by Irwin, and I was able to cut with my circular saw. All right, more to come, but just kind of giving you piece by piece. Okay guys, so now I have a ladder that I can use as kind of a horse, which is cool, and then I can put my horses on top. So I've got my stand hanging upside down now, and I'm actually starting to put the side rails on. And of course, you always want to make sure that you're level. Okay, so check that you're level. Measure 6 times and cut once, right? So I made some mistakes early on with cutting the side rails too short, so I had to go and buy new ones. Yay! All right, more to come, guys. I'm still working on it. All right, guys, so it's coming together. Man, I'll tell you, you really have to take your time. You got to just double check your measurements. These guys were a lifesaver. I've showed you them before. These are small set too. I'm telling you, I'm going to probably invest in a larger set. But lifesaver. And yeah, got to check to make sure it's even. Yeah, definitely coming along. But this is like a 4 or 5 day project. All right, guys, more to come. We'll see the finished product with the actual lawn equipment on it. All right, guys. Tech Made Easy, and here is the final product. And that's it. It will not look any prettier than this. But what I wanted to do was create 4 shelves that were on wheels that I could take and put in a corner and have some vertical storage. All right, so I'm going to be able to put my 2 mowers on here, my leaf vac, and my snowblower. Okay, so there's the front, this is the side, and then this is the back. All right, I'm still working a little bit on the back because I've got to put stops on the back. Okay, but that's it. And this is you know, I use some really thick long bolts, you know, to put this together. I use double wood on the bottom for the foundation, and you know, everything's tied in real well. I was able to cut those screws off also. So we'll see. I mean, these mowers in most cases weigh about 50 pounds. I think the Honda weighs a little bit more, being that it's gas and a double blade. But we'll see, guys. All right, so I'll be right back, and you're going to see in a matter of a snap of a second, 1, 2, 3. Bam! There it is, guys. The Honda mower on the bottom, leaf vac with the handle that I'll have to make some adjustments. But that's on the second shelf. Those are the 2 heaviest machines. There is the Select Cut 2020, and there is the Ego snowblower 21-inch. Not bad, huh? On wheels. Check that out. And now I'll be able to put this in a corner and have it take up a lot less space. It took me like, I don't know, is it 3 days? 3.5 days to put together. Oh man, but yeah, pretty cool. It's going to serve its purpose. You know, build yourself some vertical storage. You know? All right, guys. Well, I hope this video helped you, or it was entertaining, or it gave you an idea on how to get more room in your garage, because we just keep buying more stuff and putting it in the garage. You know, water pressure, you know, pressure washers and all these different machines and snow blowers and you name it. So thanks a lot, guys. If you are a new subscriber, hey, take a moment, subscribe to our channel in the upper right hand corner there. Just hit the Tech Made Easy logo and hit view channel, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll get notified of new videos. I will put my tools playlist in the upper left hand corner. And hey, leave some comments, leave some questions. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.